Alright, so today's challenge is going to the grocery store. So we have tried Instacart, Whole Foods delivery, Prime Pantry, and we haven't been able to get any groceries delivered for 2 weeks. So we're not running out of food, but we are running out of fresh things like half and half, milk, fresh vegetables. If we had to, we'd be perfectly fine for another 6 weeks or so. But you know what? I want some cream in my coffee if I'm going to be trapped in my house for so long. So let's see how the grocery stores are. People say that the grocery stores out here in the desert are still full. And we'll see how this goes. It's a beautiful day in the legendary Coachella Valley. Alright, so we've made it to the store. Okay, as one can see, there are other cars here. The store's open, it's a beautiful day, and the world has clearly not ended yet. So let's see what we find inside. Alright, so we can see a line of people keeping a good distance. This is just good sense. Alright, so truth be told, that was a very different shopping experience than normal. They're reducing the people in the store, which is really smart. All the staff is being so friendly and helpful and calm during this, and I just appreciate everyone who works at the Trader Joe's Palm Desert so much, and they're doing such a good job of keeping people calm and just being really understanding because everyone is on edge and upset. So there were not full shelves. I'd say 90% of the items were totally stocked in full. There were limits on how many canned goods and milk you could buy, which I totally support. That's completely fair. There was not a single roll of toilet paper or tissues or napkins or the soap that I use. There were just certain things not there, like pizza dough, frozen falafel. I guess those are really good freezer items. I mean, all in all, they're doing a really good job of trying to keep some sense of normalcy, and I'm so grateful that the stores are still open. But it's to think that I could go back to the store and just have my normal shopping day was not correct, and I think overly optimistic. So like I said, we've tried Instacart, we've tried Prime Pantry, we've tried Whole Foods delivery, and absolutely nothing has worked. So this is what it's come to, and that's hardly a sacrifice because I've gotten lots of great quality items like I would normally get, and this will augment our stocks and keep us really well fed. And the things that I really underestimated what I would want were chocolate and beer and potato chips. But I did control myself, and I got more vegetables than junk food. But I cannot wait to go home and have some nice coffee with some cream in it. So I hope wherever you are, you have food on the shelves, you can get food delivered. But right now in Palm Desert, it's an absolutely beautiful day, and I'm so grateful to be able to go out and fill up my fridge and pantry and freezer with nutritious food. All right, so hang in there, everybody.